In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a space in ClickUp. If you need to give someone access to a specific space in your ClickUp workspace, the process is quick and straightforward. Sharing a space is useful when you want teammates, collaborators, or stakeholders to view or work inside a certain area without needing to manually walk them through everything. The key is making sure you choose the right space and the right permission level before sending the invitation. To begin, look at the sidebar in ClickUp and find the space you want to share. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct one, especially if your workspace has multiple spaces with similar names. This helps avoid inviting someone to the wrong area. Once you've found the space, move your cursor over it and click the three-dot menu. This opens the space menu, where you'll find additional options for managing that space. If you don't immediately see the menu, hovering over the space usually makes those controls appear. From that menu, select Sharing and Permissions. This is where ClickUp lets you control who can access the space and what they're allowed to do once they're inside. It's a good idea to review these settings carefully, especially if the space contains important projects, internal notes, or work that should only be visible to certain people. Next, enter the person's name or email address in the invite field. Make sure the information is entered correctly so the invitation goes to the right person. If you're inviting someone from outside your usual team, double check that they should have access before moving forward. After that, choose their permission level. ClickUp gives you several options, including full edit, comment, or view only. Full edit is best for people who need broad control over the space. Edit works well for collaborators who need to make changes but may not need full administrative access. Comment is useful if someone only needs to leave feedback, and view only is the best choice when you want someone to see the content without making changes. Picking the right permission level helps you keep your workspace organized and secure. When everything looks correct, click Invite to share the space. That sends the invitation and gives the person access based on the permission you selected. And that's it. That's how to share a space in ClickUp quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.